Hi, boys and girls. It's Feature Friday, and I'm your host, Conductor Kayla Marie of the Learning Train. All aboard! Choo choo! Today, we're going to use our imagination. Yes, we're going to travel to a very, very special old place. Can you guess what that is? You're right. Dinosaur Land. Have you, a long, long time ago, they used to roam the earth. So let's get ready for imagination. And I have a very special train ticket. Ooh, and it's glowing and it's ready to go. So let's climb aboard the learning train. Come on, come on, come on. Are you ready? Let's count together, boys and girls. 3, 2, 1. Choo choo! Off we go. Wow, hang tight, boys and girls. I want you to look out your window. Do you see those dinosaurs? Wow. Look at that one. That's a tall one. Can we stomp like a dinosaur? Stomp, 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 stomp. Wow, pretty amazing. Wow, look up there. Do you see that one flying? It's just flying. Can you fly like that dinosaur? I wonder what kind of dinosaur that one is. All right. We're here. Let's get off. We're here. Boys and girls, we're getting ready to walk through the jungle. So pick your knees up high as we walk through the jungle. Dude. Wow. It's just pretty amazing to see all these different dinosaurs. This has been a fantastic time on Dinosaur Land. Do you hear our train whistle? It's time to go. Let's get back on the train. Oh, that was an amazing time at Dinosaur Land. That was great that you used your imagination. Thanks for joining on Feature Friday. Aboard, choo choo.